If you want to change theme on POCO M8 Pro, all you have to do is you need to open the Themes app. So let's go ahead and open this app. Now in this case, you should be able to switch to the Themes category, and then you can try to find the theme that you want to use. So let's try to find something that you may like, and once you find something, if you decide that you want to use this specific theme, then of course we can use this download button at the bottom of the screen. And once it is downloaded, you can immediately apply it. You can also tap on Customize in order to, for example, apply only selected parts of the theme. In my case, I can actually select everything and we can use Apply. There might be some compatibility issues, especially if the theme has been created for other versions of the system, but you still should be able to get the theme and apply it on your phone. There we go, that's pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.